Hey guys, Nikhil here from Home Banao. In this video, I want to show you how you can set up your dining table to be a nice, ergonomic, productive office space. And what are some simple things you can do to ensure that you don't lose any edge, you don't lose any productivity, and don't have any neck pain, elbow pain, shoulder pain, and stuff like that. So let's get into the video. So the first things first, we need to figure out how do you place the laptop properly. Now, normally when we're in offices, we have desktops, we have monitors which are fairly big, whose height can be adjusted and stuff like that. But that's not the case with laptops. So my first recommendation is to make sure that your eye level and the top of the screen of your laptop is on a single plane, is 90 degrees. The reason behind this is if you're slouching in any way, down or something like this, your shoulder and your neck will start hurting and you'll not be able to work longer. I mean, the pain will start really irritating and messing up your productivity. The next thing which I would say is make sure that you use an external mouse and a keyboard. Now, I'm sure you'll have an old computer at your home, which keyboard or mouse you can take and plug into your laptop. Now, the reason I'm asking you to have an external mouse and keyboard is you will be placing your laptop on certain height. Now, this height can be with some small tables or with some thick textbooks, just to make sure that it's level with your eyes. By having an external mouse or keyboard, you'll be fairly easily able to create a setup where you're not, moving your shoulder or hand too much, and it's very comfortable for you to use these particular aspects. Now, typically speaking, by creating this simple setup, your spine is straight, your elbows are at a comfortable position, and your typing speed and basic productivity is going to shoot up pretty nicely. Next thing is make sure you have some headphones handy whenever you're getting on a conference call or stuff like that. Because you don't wanna, if you want to take some notes or open some applications on the computer, you don't want to end up doing stuff like this. So when you have some headphones handy, one of the things which will end up happening is your hands will become free and your neck and your face becomes free, so there's no bending and all those things happening. Finally, I would say this, just make sure that your elbows are 90 degree when they are placed on the table. That's the right height for you to set up. Now, obviously, we don't have adjustable height chairs in our offices, in our homes, unlike our offices. So what I would do is I would keep some pillows on my chair just to make sure that my elbows are at 90 degrees when I place my hands on the table. So next, I would want to talk about some simple hacks you can have to make sure that your productivity is a little bit better. So the first thing would be you can use a photo frame to just prop up your smartphone so that when you're having a video call or you want to look at some information, you can just set it up right there and look at it directly without constantly taking it in your hand or taking it out of your pocket and looking at like this. You want to make sure that the level is not going too down. So just prop it up against a photo frame. I'm sure you'll have a photo frame at your home. You can use a simple cup holder, a cup or a cup holder, a pen holder, a toothbrush holder to have sort of pens and stationery which you would commonly use. And one simple thing to do is make sure that you have some nice plants placed around you. Now, it can be real, it can be artificial, but just that green color of plants makes you a bit more calmer, makes you a bit more productive. So these are some simple hacks to make sure that even when you are working from home, you have a nice productive setup, a nice ergonomic setup, so that you're able to get stuff done. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more videos like this, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.